Hi, everyone. Seth Fineberg here, talking about yet another very pointed topic in accounting right now. The top three things holding CPAs back in the AI era. Now, let me preface this by saying I've had some recent conversations around this very topic. As we know, every accounting professional seems to be not only just talking about AI, but what they are already diving in and doing with it. I've been to a few conferences already. We are in the middle of conference season right now, and it is interesting to hear how many practitioners are really doing a variety of things with AI, but with some trepidation, some concerns, and I want to hit those top three in a very pointed way. So here's basically what I'm hearing are some of the key concerns and things that could hold true AI progress back. Number one, data security and compliance concerns. Now, we saw this initially with cloud some years back. People not really all that interested in truly diving in, not in the way that they are with AI in a very controlled environment. However, if it is ever going to advance, CPAs, as we know, handle some of the most sensitive financial data that's out there. So, they hesitate to use AI without real clear privacy, security, and compliance controls. There's kind of no real agreed upon standards right now in the way that we eventually got with SOC and other things with cloud. So the fear is not AI itself, but just in using it in a way that risks client trust. So, in order to get around that, some folks are doing what we call sandboxing, doing it in a very kind of controlled sort of environment. But as we know, that's only going to take things so far. Number two, lack of a clear AI strategy. We saw the rise of the tech stack as we know it. And a lot of that was because different solutions solved different problems. Now we're seeing that with AI as well. Many firms are trying AI tools, but without really a proper roadmap or use case clarity. Without real strategy, AI is going to remain in this sort of experimental holding pattern of sorts, instead of becoming a real productivity driver and really progressing the way that we may need it to if it's going to have some long-term viability, even midterm viability. Firms really need to kind of figure out exactly why they're using it, what they're using it for, and how things kind of ultimately work together as part of a real strategy for AI use. Thirdly, there's kind of a skill gap and change resistance in a way. How do we kind of upskill people who are expected to ultimately train a lot of these tools now? Obviously we have some AI that's built in to applications that you're already using. So there's that, but also, using it in a more creative way. AI really needs new skills in automation, prompts, analytics, advisory workflows. Many CPAs are still very unsure how to blend AI with their daily accounting work. And as we're, hiring and, training folks on these new platforms to, ultimately, enhance work, take away a lot of the extended time that certain projects will take by using AI, they're still going to need to know some basics on how to use the tools that are out there. Those are my top three right now. Obviously, we could kind of dive into a few more out there, but this seems to be, top of mind. So hopefully we will get those sorted in relatively short order, and we'll see AI truly advance in the accounting profession as we may need it to.